show you something else that I got today. I've been looking for this jiko ya Kuni moja, and I got it in my field experience today. And then I got something else. Ndio huyo. In this era of stainless steel, all those things. So I got this that I can be using to cook my mboga na carcinogenic. I got it, right? Yes. So I'm excited. Ni kanyungu. A bit dark. I decided to try it from outside before I'm told I'm making the house too smoky. Niko na jiko hapo na kanyungu kale kawaluya kakupika mboga, and I'm excited. I want to boil fish, I think. I want to boil fish. But I don't like the deep fried fish somehow. For many reasons. Don't ask me why, but yes. So I like to buy my fish fresh, not deep fried, and then I come and cook for myself. Wakati mwingine na boil tu kama mkikuyu samsafi ule na boiling it will kill everything. Yes, that's what I want to do with this pot. God bless you. Thank you. But then in case you need some of these things, you don't need me to. I know where to get them. I'll just help you get them. Okay.